With your first smile, our love would never depart. Through every laugh, every tear, every fall and every rise, my love for you, sweet daughter, will forever be in your eyes. You're the sunshine in my